Wait here.
Hey, Dad, hang on. Tell him we're gonna need more than a couple of extra Lancers here, and seriously, bots might do more harm than good.
Don't worry. He'll pull something out of his ass. He always does.
They're surrounding us.
Holy shit! You scared the crap out of me.
Sorry. Backup's on its way.
How long before he gets here?
Long enough that we'll need this.
Dad, what's the deal? Where's he meeting us?
Close, but we got time and Swarm to kill before he gets here.
From the sound of things, they're gonna attack any minute.
That's why we dig in here.
I can't let him go to waste. Lock and loaded.
What? They're coming in from the front! We got a Scion! Second squad!
They breached the defenses! Clear them out!
Oh shit! Bouncers!
Come on, you ugly sons of bitches! Come get us! It's dead! No way that's the last of them. Build what you can before more attack.
They're hitting us from the left!
got snatchers!
That's the last of them!
Yeah, but I doubt for very long. Get on that fabricator.
Before he gets here!
You just gotta hold out a little while longer. Watch it! Zion incoming!
Watch it! They're up here with us!
Better luck next time!
Stay sharp, we're not done yet!
Shit! Looks like they're bringing out the big gun!
We've got carriers!
These are cool. Dad! Where the hell is he?
There! That's his signal! Let's get to the rendezvous point!
Hey, what do you know? Looks like it's all clear.
No, no, no. You have got to stop saying that. Seriously.
Saying what?
All clear. Come on. It's a perfect way to jinx us.
Come on, you're kidding.
No, I'm not. Since this all began, when has it ever been all clear?
Normally, I'd say jinxing has nothing to do with actual probabilities, but in this case, I agree. Don't say it.
All right, this is ridiculous. Look around. It is all clear.
Marcus, come on, man.
Yeah, Dad, I don't know. They've kind of convinced me.
Tell you what, if I really did just jinx us, I'll deal with it myself. Now let's get to the damn rendezvous point. He said he'd meet us at the intersection just ahead.
Something big's heading this way.
Hey, Marcus, you jinxed us. Great job.
I don't think I did.
When Marcus Phoenix calls in help, he does not mess around.
What? You don't call, you don't write?
Hey! Who loves you, Marcus? Whoa! Been too long, Cole.
Yeah, about 10 years too long.
You remember James?
Yeah, I remember him being a lot smaller.
Everyone's small next to you, Uncle Cole.
Uncle Cole? Excuse me, what? Didn't I give you enough toys when you were a kid?
Oh, I've seen enough of your toys to last a lifetime, thanks.
His toys.
Kate, Dell, meet Damon Baird, CEO of DB Industries, whose bots have been trying to kill us for the last 20 hours.
Hey, whoa. The whole killer DB thing? Jin did that, not me.
Well, they've still got your initials on them.
Let me know if any of this sounds familiar. You go AWOL from the COG, about 6 months ago, and somehow no one arrests you. Or even more recently, there you are, stuck in Settlement 5, and just magically, a bot transport cart pulls up and tells you to get in.
Oh, seriously, Dad? You had this asshole watching out for me?
I think the word you might be looking for is thank you.
You sure you can handle this thing?
You know the kind of day we've had? You wouldn't ask.
JD's and Jack Jr., so one of you take second betting.
So they back. Really back. I kind of missed them in a weird, messed up sort of way.
I know what you mean.
And there's our ride.
I'm here, sweet cheeks. Ready to go?
Tell me your wife wanted to do this.
Sam and I aren't married. Special lady friend, please. And she insisted on coming. Hey, kids. Can you hear me up there?
Yeah, I hear you. Meet us at the dam. Oh, and Uncle Baird.
Try to keep up.